smoky it's got.
Yeah. More wind the last few years.
I know this fellow gunpowder at 7 o'clock at night on Wednesday.
You can see it much better on the computer when you turn your camera sideways. Yeah, do it like that. Because that's how your computer screen is. And it shows up much better then. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this guy's perfect for us videotaping because
no lightning this year.
He's putting them in the same place.
Right. Remember you got the one with the lightning?
I do.
Yes.
I do.
He still shows it to me.
Oh.
Let me show you my lightning bolt.
Yeah.
That's the line he uses. And I'll say, okay, get out the camera.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow, wow, Look at those. They really do a good job here.
Yeah, they do.
I love the really loud.
That's a minute 45.
Yeah, that ought to be more than anybody can stand, right?
I like the finale.